Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to extract audio in CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, open CapCut. Okay, now import the video by clicking over here on import. After that, just click on add to track, like this. Now, after adding video to the track, click on the video, right click with your mouse, and here, click on extract audio. Now, as you can see, the audio is extracted. Now if you want to download this audio, just go over here on export. Now here, check this box audio and uncheck this box video. After that, just click on export and the audio will be exported after this. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.